How to use Dext Accounting. So this was formerly called Receipt Bank, but in general, this is the still accounting automation tool that helps businesses collect receipts, invoices, and financial documents that will help send them directly to accounting software. Now, if you want to go ahead and get started, you can open up your preferred browser and search for Dext Accounting, and you're gonna have to find their website first, which should just be this. Then you will be able to enter their website. You can start a free trial if you'd like. You can take a look at their pricings first to see if it's worth it. But again, there's the free trial. You can test it out to see if it's worth it for you. But if for some reason you already have an account, just go ahead to the login section and put in your information. So maybe your email, or you could continue using these options. Now, once you've created a Dext account, you can connect it to any kind of accounting platform that is available. So only ones that is compatible with Dext over here. And after connecting, you can upload your receipts and invoices by snapping a photo with your mobile app, so the Dext mobile app, and then emailing documents to your Dext inbox or uploading files from your computer. And once the documents are uploaded, Dext automatically extracts key details like the supplier name, date, tax, total amount, and much more. You can review and edit the information if you'd like, but you can publish the transaction directly to your accounting software. So all that while the platform also organizes documents, tracks expenses, and stores digital copies for record keeping, which will make it easier to manage bookkeeping and reduce manual data entry. But if you want to go ahead and explore more to Dext, you can just go ahead and enter their website. Even without getting a free trial, there's lots of things you can take a look at first. You can look at their features, what they can do, and how to use them. But that is the general idea on how the Dext accounting software works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.